Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup VMware Workstation VMs to external storage step by step clearly. Open VMware Workstation on your computer. Navigate to the virtual machine you wish to backup. Ensure the virtual machine is powered off. Select the virtual machine in the left panel. Go to the File menu at the top of the screen. Choose Export to OVF from the drop-down options. Select a location on your local drive to save the OVF file. Click Save to initiate the export process. Wait for the export process to complete. Locate the OVF file you just created on your local drive. Connect your external storage device to your computer. Open the external storage device in File Explorer. Copy the OVF file from your local drive to the external storage device. Also, locate and copy any associated VMDK files. These files contain the virtual machine's disk data. Paste all files into a designated folder on your external storage device. Ensure the copying process is complete. Eject the external storage device safely from your computer. Your VMware virtual machine is now backed up to external storage. You can repeat these steps for any additional virtual machines. Regular backups will help protect your data. Make it a habit to backup your virtual machines periodically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.